Hi, this is Joe here. I'm here to show you one available option for designing your web page or blog. It's called Artiseer with the STEM word steer in it because you're at the steering wheel and you're designing it as you go along without doing all the difficult code work and planning and organization of that sort. So here I'm going to show you a simple WordPress blog that you could design for yourself. The basic components that you have are your header, your body, your navigation, sidebar, and footer down here at the very bottom with your RSS feed icon. Everything is highly customizable. For example, if I click up here on footer, I can go to the RSS feed icon. If I don't like that square I have, I can pick a cube and it changes to a cube. The footer, you can add a gradient, you can texturize it, you can also fill it. So if I want to add a gradient, I can just go here and out of all the available gradients, choose which one I like the most. I like this one. Instant gradient is made. You have hyperlinks, and this is what the color of the link will look like. You can edit the total size it will be, if it's italicized, or what font you want to use. The visited link is what it looks like after you've clicked on it. What color it will be, what it will look like in size. Hovered on link means when the mouse is pointing over it. Here, take your header for instance. If you don't like this bluish swishy one, you just go to suggest header over here in the header, and you go suggest header, and you have a new header and another one with the model inside of it. There's another one for a bigger, wider page. You even have some sample logos. Let's say you like this header, but you want to include one of these available models in the clip art. Click on them, and there he is right there. You can change his position, align right. There he is on the right. You can add effects. Maybe you want to add some glow, a little glow. Now he's glowing a little bit. Very neat, very fun. Here we have the navigation bar. We're not here to edit text because that's not part of the design. That's what you would do after you export it. But here you have here it's showing that you can have a drop-down sub-menu here and another sub-menu within. Here we have our text box, and again you can go to suggest, and it will go through, and it has pictures and different formattings of the text box that you can choose from. Here on the vertical menu and sidebar, you can go to suggest, the light bulb. Shows you more options you have. This is all very nice because you don't have to go into the code to create these little minute differences that take so much time and editing to do within the code. This, you have an interface that puts you as the designer without all the background work such as coding that's required if you were to do this by hand. Here we can go to the layout. We have the navigation here under the header. We can move the navigation upwards. There's disjointed. We have plenty of options within here. Here's another one. Whatever floats your boat with this basically is what you can come upon. You can change this sheet. So if you don't, if you want to make it rounded more, you can make this sheet rounded at the edges. Once you're finally done, you just go to File and Export. File, Export, and you do WordPress theme, and then this you can then have saved and uploaded to your WordPress blog and used as the template for your WordPress blog. You can also do this with Blogger and just a simple website platform. It's very nice. That was just a little brief overview of it. I recommend it. I used it for my blog. It's not too expensive. With the trial version, you can do all the editing and everything, but you can't. But once you export it, the exported file will have trial stamped all over the front page of it, so it won't look very pretty until after you purchase it. Go ahead and if you like it, please use my link to buy this. Thank you.